Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. In my last video I showed you how to make healthy gujia recipe. Thanks for all the love, likes, and for those who tried the recipe. I'm also going to drop the link in the description below for those who missed it, so do check it out. So today I thought, why not make an easy, tasty, healthy muffin using multigrain flour. Added apple and carrots, which makes it wholesome and nutritious. Great for you, for your kids during the morning rush hour. Have it for breakfast or as an afternoon snack to boost your mind, keep your body energized, and leaving your mood happy. No eggs, no maida, no white sugar. Let's see how to make soft, moist, air-fried carrot apple muffins. So keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shopes. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm taking 2 medium-sized carrots. Use one if it's large. I'm using KitchenAid food processor to shred the carrots. You may use a regular grater. See how beautifully the carrots are getting shredded. I love the taste of carrots in cakes or muffin. Use medium-sized grater attachment. This really saved my time. It looks beautiful. See how quickly it's done. I got 1 cup shredded carrots. Now keep it aside. Next, adding 1 small apple. Shredding the apple the same way using the same grater attachment disc. This is a great way to incorporate more veggies and fruits in your diet. After grating, keep it aside. Now let's put together the dry ingredients. I'm using multigrain flour. Got this multigrain atta from Indian store. It has wheat, soy, oats, maize, ragi, chana dal and barley. Take 1.5 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon Pink Himalayan rock salt. Now mix everything and keep it aside. I have around 12 to 15 raisins, around 8 walnuts. Chop the walnuts roughly and chop the raisins. Now let's put together the wet ingredients. In goes 1 cup shredded carrots, 1 shredded apple, then raisins and walnuts. Into this add half cup jaggery powder instead of white sugar, then adding 1 cup almond milk which I got from Costco. This will help the muffins to come out soft and moist. If you don't have almond milk, just add water. Then add half cup olive oil or any oil of your choice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, or you may add lime juice. Mix them all together. There. In the meanwhile, let's preheat the air fryer. Now let's mix the wet and dry ingredients together. Make sure to just fold it gently. Don't overmix. It must be lump free and uniform. The batter looks perfect. Then I'm taking a round cake tin. I have these cupcake cups which I'm going to use. To fit more than 4 cupcakes inside the air fryer basket becomes a challenge, so I thought of fitting the small to medium sized cupcake tins. They are not too big and able to fit 8 of them, which I'm super excited. Scoop off the batter equally to the muffin cups. The measurement is around 2 tablespoons. It smells yummy already. There, I have 8 cups ready. You may use 6 cups if it doesn't fit. Top it up with sliced almonds, which is optional. Looks beautiful and ready to be air fried. You can also use any steel plate that fits inside your air fryer basket. Open the preheated basket and place the tin inside. Make sure to adjust the shape of the cups. If you can't fit 8, then just try 6 cups. Now set the temperature to 350 degree Fahrenheit and the time to 15 minutes. While the muffins are getting air fried, I have time to wash the used dishes. Now, let's see, it's been 15 minutes. Slowly open the basket. The muffins are ready. Gorgeous brown in color. Let's do the toothpick test. It's perfect and not sticking. Take it out from the air fryer basket. Let it cool down. Nice and soft. For the next batch, I have 3 cupcake batter left, and I'm going to show you that this time I'm going to set the temperature to 350 degree Fahrenheit and the time to 12 minutes. So let's see how this turns out. Wow, love the golden brown color, and these muffins look lovely. Toothpick goes through easily and comes out dry. Perfect. So try for 12 minutes or 15 minutes. Each air fryer is different, so you may have to test it out according to your liking in terms of the texture and color. I would suggest 350 degree Fahrenheit for 12 minutes first. It's a great option for those who follow vegan diet, plant-based diet, or looking for a healthy option. See how soft these are turning out. Great for growing kids. Carrot has vitamin A, which helps boost your vision. And we all know the saying, 1 apple a day keeps your doctor away. Make it more tasty by adding honey or maple syrup. Kids will love it. My easy, healthy breakfast bite is ready for my busy days. So good. This is a great muffin recipe for those who are looking to make without using any eggs and with a healthy twist using multigrain flour. This carrot apple muffin came out so good, so delicious, so soft and moist, and it's absolutely yummy. So do give it a try. You may also follow me in Facebook or Instagram for daily dose of healthy meal ideas. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.